Hey guys, Brian and Aaron here from 5 to Go, and we are taking a look at a monster of a trailer today.
Yes.
What is this thing?
It is the Salem Grand Villa 42 View.
42 View.
42 View. So it's, it's big with that 42 at the front of it.
And this is a park model.
No, it's called a destination.
Destination model. We have a special
destination trailer.
We have a special guest off camera here who you're going to meet in a little bit. Yep. And he knows a lot more about this thing than we do. But we're going to give you guys our normal tour, and then he's going to jump in and fill in some blanks and answer some questions and explain why this thing is so unique in this segment. Yes. So let's go ahead and go in one of these doors in this huge thing and see what's in there. So as you look at this thing with us out of the way, you will see how many windows are on this thing. We've got windows wrapping all the way around the front bedroom here, windows up high there, windows up high all the way down. A very special window in the middle here, which we will be told about later. So let's go inside. So it definitely fits its name, View.
Yes.
But what caught our eye, because we don't normally talk about this type of RV, but what caught our eye is it sleeps how many children?
5 or more children. There's 5 dedicated beds that children could sleep in. And you guys know that we're always looking for RVs and trailers and stuff that take into account families and how families travel or families do this kind of lifestyle. And so the forethought to have so many places for kids to sleep really made me happy. Yeah,
because there's a loft up there.
There is?
There are only 3 mattresses, but if our 3 kids could easily fit up there with friends. It is huge up there.
And we only have 3 kids, but I want to tell you guys at the end what we were thinking this could be used for. Yeah. Because it's a little bit outside of the box when you're thinking about this style of RV. Yep. So
we'll start with front bedroom. One thing I liked on the way to the front bedroom is instead of just empty cubbies, it actually comes with little drawers that fit in those cubbies, which is nice because it's kind of like the cube storage you see at IKEA and Target and stuff.
Right.
So this is the view from the door.
And this is the owner's bedroom, the master bedroom, the big bedroom that's in this one. It's a king-size bed. There's a fireplace. Yep. And then you have all of these windows.
Fireplace over there. Bunch of storage, bunch of mirrors. It is just glass every direction. Yeah, huge windows. And then, can you imagine this? Like, this is made to be parked for like a year or more. Like, you don't move these around a ton.
No, you get to find a place and you stay there for a while.
But if you could park this like with water out that way,
mountain view.
Can you imagine?
Something amazing.
That would be crazy.
That's what you would wake up to every day.
So storage-wise, we've got 4 very large drawers and a chest over here. And then you got a nice shelf here with some power, and it looks like you could put a TV. There's some coax drops there.
Yes.
Then, like she said, there's a nice big bed. There is a shelf over here. I think my CPAP would work on there.
These are super deep as well.
Yep, those are huge. Oh, good Lord, they are massive. That's a fireplace safety switch up there.
Yep, right down there.
This is not storage. This is just a mirror.
Right, and then, but it's a nice room, and it's spacious.
It is. And yeah, it's, even though we stepped down into here, there is a little notch for the taller folk. But my head is nowhere near. You can see in the mirror, my head is nowhere near the roof. There's plenty of room in here.
So, yesterday when we brought the kids in here, this is what they ran to first. I'm going to get up in here and show you just how big it is, okay?
All right. So this is a spiral staircase in an RV. Look at this. Let me back up a little bit. Very cool. We were trying to think of what kind of stuff you could store back there. So leave a comment below. Let us know, what would you store in this area down here? We had a couple ideas. So I'm going to hand you off to Erin. She's going to show you the loft.
All right. So this air conditioning's a little bit loud, but there is air conditioning up here. But there is a full bed or full like twin size mattress here. Another one here. A little stand to put things in. Not any like big storage up here, but you could, set up whatever you might need up there. And then this is another bed up here. So there's 3 separate mattresses up here and windows for days. You can see the whole rig from up here. There are curtains to close, and they're really like sound dampening and light dampening, I would think.
Yeah.
And
looks like they're there.
And they're over here. They cover both these sides. Yeah.
Very cool.
It's nice up here. And I can sit.
Yeah, Erin is sitting fully upright.
I'm not hunched over in here.
Yeah, she is sitting upright.
Like,
that's a lot
and I'm
of space.
on a bed.
Yeah.
So the kids up here yesterday, they had no trouble moving around and getting comfortable.
Yeah, very cool. So while she climbs down out of there, I'll start on the kitchen. So there is this huge multi-purpose island. So it's an island you can cook on, has the sink in it, and it also has benches, little bench seat stools all the way around. Awesome use of space. Nice big centerpiece to this rig. And then we've got a big old pantry over here. She's back.
I'm back. Hello. Nice pantry.
Big old pantry in here.
And I love it. They made a space for the trash can.
Yep. And then we got a bunch of storage in the kitchen here. And even though there's an island over here, you're like, that's a lot of counter space. There's still a ton of counter space on this side.
With a window. You know, we love a window in a kitchen.
Yep. That's a natural light in there. And then we got a bunch of drawers, some smaller drawers, some bigger drawers. Ooh, that one's stuck.
There we go.
There you go. Yep. And then we got cabinets up above. We got a microwave. We got a full residential fridge. Yeah, this thing's loaded.
It looks nice.
Looks like a gas range and a kind of normal
Yep.
oven over there.
Big enough.
And then on this side, under the sink,
Storage.
just a big old hole. That's an Instant Pot spot right there. And then a double basin sink with the gooseneck,
Sprayer,
multi-purpose
all the
faucet and all
things.
that. Yep. And then working out this way, there's a very large L couch. And there are floor vents. We'll ignore that for now. But there's a fireplace, a sound bar, and a televator in front of a massive window directly across from this big couch.
This is pretty comfy too.
Yeah, that looks really nice. And a huge window there.
All the
There's just windows everywhere.
And no valances because they have these really nice curtains in here.
You're right. There are no valances at all in here. Very nice.
We've got ceiling fans too because there aren't the tall enough ceilings to have that.
Yeah, there's one there. There's a really nice light fixture up above this island here. And then in the back, there's another loft.
Yep.
This one isn't kind of U-shaped like the other one is, but it is still quite large, and it is the same height. Aaron is sitting upright. This one has a more traditional staircase, and then we'll show kind of the star of the show there in just a second.
Yep. So you're just on the other side here, and it's pretty simple. There's not a lot of storage up here. You'd be using storage elsewhere, but lots of windows and tons of space. And again, you're able to sit up in here and maneuver. There are like outlets up in here and USB chargers, which is what my children always ask about.
On either side of that little piece, and then there's like a ledge.
Yep.
Kind of separates the two beds. It's nice.
This is the view from this side, and you can see that other loft over there above the refrigerator and the living room that we were just in with the kitchen.
It's huge. It is so big in here. And this isn't even opposing slides. There's only slides on this side. Correct. And our special guest will tell you why after we check out the bathroom. So it is only one bath, but it is one monster bath.
So you don't often get this much floor space in a bathroom, but excellent sink, tons of space to hang or to put things on there. They've included a towel rack, which don't always get.
Little towel ring over here. Yep.
Plenty of space to sit on the toilet and do whatever you need to do on the toilet.
I think our friend Matt would absolutely approve of this toilet.
Yes. And then a really nice shower that has 4 spaces of things that come out for the water. So
yeah, that looks very similar to the ones that Grand Design is using now.
Yes.
It's kind of the, I don't remember what they call them, like a rainfall or waterfall shower.
And then you have an entire laundry room.
Yeah.
If you're in here, so there's lots of space to maneuver.
And I could even see there is so much floor space in here that I could see, like when you're doing laundry, if you have just like a little table that pops out, you could be pulling laundry out, kind of put it like over top of the toilet right in front of the shower, and you could fold all your laundry in here and then take it out to where it needs to go.
Yeah.
And again, another huge window.
Right.
There's windows everywhere in this thing. It's awesome. I think it's time for
They left the storage open underneath here, so it's easy to put like towels and linens.
Oh yeah.
So it's kind of nice.
I like that. How big are these drawers? Well, that one's big. This one's gonna be small. Oh, there's a little tilt out. Okay.
There we go.
Oh, there's cabinets here. I didn't even notice there were cabinets here. Good lord, there's storage everywhere in here.
Lots of storage.
This is cool, and lots of walls too. If you like to decorate,
yes.
This is your RV.
There's lots of walls.
All right, let's get our special guest up in here.
All Alrighty, our special guest is here with Salem, and
Hi.
you'll introduce yourselves and tell us what you do.
John Sayer, I'm the product manager for Salem. So,
Yeah.
you want me to get into this project?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Tell us all the cool things you guys did for this.
You told us yesterday that there are a couple things that are very unique to this rig.
Yeah, I mean, this was an exciting project. So this started almost 6 years ago, and then we kind of dropped it. But people have been asking for a destination trailer, and it's really all about decks. So a lot of our destinations have door side slides.
Mhm.
On this one, you literally have no door side slides. You can put a 40-foot deck on this thing.
It's huge.
And a lot of the families will spend a lot of their time outside eating on the deck space. So with this one, we called it the 42 view. We literally have 224 square feet of windows. I don't even know if that's ever been done before.
They're everywhere.
Yeah, kind of crazy. And this is the first ever double drop frame. And really what that double drop frame allows us to do is gives us those 36-inch tall lofts where an actual adult can sit up in them.
They're huge.
Even over here, we have basically...
Come on over and show us.
Yeah, I'll show you. So windows, because they're so tall, if you turn the camera around, you'll be able to see that we ended up making all the roller shapes motorized. So when it's your time and you want to check out the view, you just touch a button. And then this is actually a serving window. So imagine having a 40-foot deck on this. The next one that comes out, because this is the second one ever built, will actually have a tray right out here that hooks in. It'll be steel, all weather, and you'll be able to serve from your kitchen area to your deck space where
That's incredible.
you guys are kind of feeding the children and doing all that.
That's super cool.
Yes.
The other new concept is really an 8-foot island with 5 bar stools with the waterfall edge. I mean, it's just, you're seeing this more in residential housing where everybody wants to be kind of in the kitchen area with mom while she's doing her thing.
Always.
Yeah, and it's really cool. And then obviously spiral staircase. I'm literally an 8-year-old child, so you watch kids come in here and they'll literally shoot up there and then come down quick and then run over to the other staircase. And it's just a blast to see kids in here. They really enjoy it. But I mean, this project, whether it's the double drop frame, whether it's 224 square feet of windows, whether it's an 8-foot island, whether it's the serving window, whether it's the motorized roller shades, this has just been an absolute blast. And we're seeing people, I mean, we've brought it to 2 shows now, and we're seeing people just use this for completely different things.
So that's one of the things that John was telling us yesterday to kind of think about was, what if you bought a lot in a place that you really, really love, like we love Central Florida because, you know, Disney World's here, and then you got this because this is quite affordable for what you're getting. And then you like set up an Airbnb, or you set up like a rental thing for your family to come and stay when they come to visit you. This is something that Brian and I are kind of thinking about, and what we could maybe do in the future to, because this is cool.
Yeah, this could be a home base.
Yes.
And a moneymaker when you're not in it. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is so. What's the expected price on this, or what are they selling for right now?
The show price at this show is $79,900.
Good.
So that's at this show in 2023.
Yep. In
January of 2023 at the Tampa RV show. So.
But that price is crazy. Like
that
when you
price
walk
is
through
amazing
this and see everything that's in it, I was not expecting under 100 at all.
No. I was expecting much more for all the finishes that are in here. And it's a really nice
Super
trailer.
Cool. So John,
thank you.
If you had to pick one feature that was your absolute favorite, what is it?
It's got to be the windows. I mean, I
agree.
It's called View for a reason.
Yeah, I grew up with a pop-up, but I didn't like tearing it down and setting it up, but I absolutely adored all the windows and feeling like you're outside.
Yes.
And this one, the way it's set up with all the door side windows, which that's where the activity happens, it's just, I don't know, I just love this model. So, but yeah, definitely the view. And that's why we named it the View. So.
Very good. Thank you so much, John. We will talk to you outside. We have a couple other questions off camera. And then we're going to go ahead and close out the video.
Alrighty. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.